It's your boy Addy, and I got another package. I'm not going to tell you what is inside, but this is from Vistaprint, and I ordered it 2 or 3, 5, 6 days before, and it has arrived now. Right, and I just came again from my school, and I always get these packages when I'm coming from my school. So let's open it using a pen. No, not this one. This one. I'm gonna murder this packet. Good. I'm not using a scissors because I don't know where it is. It's very easy to tear. Guess what it is, guys? Let's give it boom 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 boom. It's a boy Addy, subscribe! And look at the back. It's your boy Addy, subscribe. I do a lot of fun stuff. So I didn't expect it to be so great, and the photo they printed is very of nice quality. It's like very smooth. This is the sticker. Let's get it off. Please don't stick. Don't you dare. Alright. And no stickers. Alright, so this is a very nice thing. Look, on the sticker they printed the things that I have got on my t-shirt, and it's pretty nice. Hey, what happened? Alright, brightness was like so less. So this is it. This is my thing which I want. What the heck? Alright guys, this is like troubling me a lot. This is it, my sweatshirt or my t-shirt. Now you would see me wearing this in my next videos. So guys, thanks for watching. Keep watching videos, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for another one unboxing that is of a tech item. I'm not going to tell you. I will post it on my Instagram account. Follow me at Aditya8. Follow me at Aditya8 and on Snapchat, that man in gold. And follow me on Twitter. I don't remember. Follow me on Instagram because I have to post it there, because it's a very nice thing, you know. I will not tell you. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. Peace. And by the way, follow me on Instagram, Aditya8. ADITYA8. Thanks for watching.